Yeah, I was just on that side. Here comes a CP train heading eastbound. Oh, nice! At least I caught that interesting Heritage unit locomotive there. Just caught a CP train heading heading west, and this is the eastbound train. And I was just on that side. No matter, I still got it here. I'm on, of course, the CN side. The CN train came. I did miss that. So this is, I guess, 132. Since 133 already left. It's about 3 o'clock p.m. on a Saturday, the 19th of November, 2022. Pristine Burlington Northern cars, which I've seen before. I don't think I'm going to see anything on CN. Via train just came in on track number 1, and a CN train just left westbound on track number 2. CP 133 left on track number 2, and this is on K1. So far, a lot of mixed freight. Probably the first train that I've caught here at Dorval in 2022 in the winter, or at least in the late part of 2022. Kansas City Southern, I wonder how that's going. KCS and CP are supposed to be merging. I haven't heard anything about it in a little while. I suppose if I read Trains magazine more, I would read about it more, but I haven't read that magazine in years. Since a lot of stuff is online now, I haven't really been subscribing to Model Railroader or any of that. I used to, as a kid, avidly read those. 2009, I had to throw away a ton of those books because I was moving. And my dad used to subscribe to that magazine all the time, so as a kid I used to read Model Railroad Crossman, Trains, and Model Railroader. I have to say, I'm getting some pretty decent rail action on a Saturday afternoon here at the light. Being standard time now, the light is going to be going low pretty soon, since it's 3 o'clock p.m. and like about 4:30 it's going to be dark. Anything cool on these flat cars? No transit vehicles from Toronto, unfortunately. I think those were some kind of rail car on top of flats, like a bathtub gone or something. I don't know. I'm gonna have to check the video. This is a quite interesting train, actually. And here comes the auto racks. They're a regular fixture on these CP trains. This one's slowing down now. Is that the end? Yeah, that's the end of the train, huh? Yeah. On a kind of nice, not too chilly, not too windy Saturday afternoon. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal, and I'm hoping there'll be another train here soon. Have a good day.